Hey guys, welcome to Login Hub. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Capital One account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Capital One account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address capital1.com like this and hit on enter. Or you can just simply search for Capital One log in like this on the Google itself and hit on enter, and you'll be shown the sign into your Axis accounts by the Capital One on the search result of Google. So dispose of that and let's click on the sign in page. Whereas on the first tab, we are still on the home page of the Capital One. You can also choose to log into your account from over here. No matter which account you signed up on Capital One, you will be logged into your authenticated Capital One account if you enter your username and your password over here. With that being said, guys, but let's click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Let's go. And you can see, guys, this sign in page we just clicked shows us the more detailed view of the login page of the Capital One, whereas on the second tab you can see it's the same page from the Google Chrome. And with that being said, guys, since both of these pages are same, let's close one of these. Now to log into your Capital One account over here, you'll be required to enter your username which you had registered on Capital One at the time of creating your account, and after that enter your password like this, which you had registered on your account. And with that being said, guys, but if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply click on forgot username or password over here to go through a procedure to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. Or you can also create an account from over here which says the setup online access if you have not yet created an account on Capital One. With that being said, guys, after you have entered your username and your password, simply click on sign in and then you'll be logged into your Capital One account online. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Capital One account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.